Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, woo! Today we are doing an unboxing. I'm so excited to partner with FABFITFUN. I currently am in possession of the fall 2025 FABFITFUN. So if you do not know what this is about, this is a subscription that allows you to customize your actual products that you're going to get. So what they typically do is they send you a link when you sign up, and you get to choose, depending on the categories, what it is that you would like to see in your box. It is catered to the season. It's only 4 times a year. I do have 2 different coupon codes for you. I will have everything you need to know down in the description box. I have curated this box to my likings. I'm actually very excited to see what it is that I got in here. Obviously, if you are interested in any of the products and you are part of the FABFITFUN family, you can also go and jump in to their website, and they have different deals and sales on the products that they typically put in the boxes at a very, very discounted price. And some of these products are amazing. You get in here makeup, hair care, skin care, body care, apparel, decoration stuff for your house, homeware stuff. So it's not just catered to beauty stuff. It's all around different things for you. I have used the crap out of the stuff that I got in my summer box, and I cannot wait to see the fall one. I am one that loves summer, so I'm sad to see summer coming to an end, but I am excited to see what fall is bringing. And obviously I have this beautiful box right here. So we're gonna unbox to see what I got, and I will tell you guys what it is that I chose and what I didn't choose, because some things I can customize and other things everyone else gets. So if you're interested to see what is in this box, stay tuned. All right, guys, if you hear any noises, Emilio is in here. He is so much like Leo. It's not even funny. This animal follows me like a fart. Everywhere I go. I was just outside, he's outside. I come inside, I come inside. I come upstairs, he follows me upstairs. So he's back there messing with some box that I have on the ground. So if you hear something, I am sorry. It's just my boy. He loves to follow me everywhere I go, and I am not mad at it. Okay, guys, so this is the box that you typically would get, and I have not opened this up. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I just need to show you guys this. Look how beautiful that is. It actually kind of matches my outfit today. So I love the fact that fall can transition from spring, but that is beautiful. I think their boxes are so nice. And obviously you have a QR code up here to enter a chance to win a trip to the Sierra Riviera Maya, part of the Hyatt Inclusion Collection. Oh, look how nice that is. Okay. So obviously you open this box up, you get little things on here. So we're going to put this over here and just see what we get, because obviously, oh, and even the box on the edge, look how beautiful that is. Like, it's just such a nice touch. And let me tell you, as a gift, it's such a great presentation, and the fact that you get to customize things, it's on another level. So if you ever considered this box, I would highly recommend to gift it, because I know from firsthand how impressive and how impressed the person is of you for thinking of them when it comes to this kind of subscription. I'm not saying that just because they sent me this, because it has happened. And you guys, I am wanting to do it again. All right, so let's see. First off, I see these. These are sunglasses. It's been a hot minute, so I don't remember what I chose, but I'm excited. So these are from Steve Madden. Look at these. Oh my goodness, it comes with a little pouch. How cute is that? All right, so let's see what we got. Oh, I think these are ones that everyone got. I don't know. I don't remember if I chose these or not now. Let's try these on, shall we? Oh, not bad, Alex. Not bad. Something that I personally wouldn't choose for myself, but they actually don't look bad on me. I kind of dig them. All right, I got myself a new pair of sunglasses. And they're nice and well made. I'm actually surprised. So these are actually not bad. I kind of like these, because these are something that I personally wouldn't choose for myself, but it actually doesn't look bad. You tell me, did it look bad on my face? I could be saying it looks good, and you guys are like, it looks horrendous, Alex. I don't know. Okay, next up is the Pantone Trendsetter of Color. It's a journal, so it's 192 pages of this journal. I love these kind of things, especially during the fall and winter, because we have so much to do that something like this thrown in my purse just works so well. So this is perfect. And I actually like the color because it's a really nice fall eggplant color. So yeah, this is something that I'll just throw inside of my purse and take it to go, especially when I go to work and stuff, write down notes. It's perfect. I personally still like to write down things instead of on my phone because I always lose my phone. I genuinely always lose my phone. Oh, I love these, you guys. I love jewelry. I love their jewelry. So this is the Electric Pix Camilla necklace. Oh, this looks so pretty in person. Oh my goodness, I love these. I have been so in love with all the jewelry that I have gotten recently. Oh, look how pretty that is. I'm going to take this off so you guys can see it. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. And it's so dainty. I love dainty pieces. Look how pretty that is. Let's put this on, shall we? Why not? Emilio, you are going ham, sir. Look at that. Oh, and you can adjust it to your length. How pretty is that? I'm actually going to keep this on. Oh, I love that. Look how pretty, you guys. Ah, it's so pretty. I love that. So this one's called the Camilla, which is funny because that's one of my daughter's friends, Camilla. I actually consider that name for my youngest, but we did not choose it. Let's see. This one is earrings. Oh, look how pretty these earrings are. So they're dangly earrings, obviously. So these will look really nice with my hair up. And since I do have a long neck, yes, I have been made fun of my long neck, so this is why I know. But that would look really, really pretty. So yeah, these are called the Shell Coil Threader Earrings in gold. How pretty. I actually like these. So when my hair goes, I might end up wearing these in a video so you guys can see those as well. Ooh. Let's see what this is. Some things I remember and some things I don't, you guys. I am so bad at this memory situation. I gotta get on it. Oh, is this the, okay. Okay, this is so right up my alley. Most people would not like this, you guys. I am old school. I'm very old school in the kitchen. I have a collection of aprons. If you've ever seen any of my vlogs, if you are a member and you see me in the kitchen, you will see that I have, my goal is to have a different apron for every season, at least to have a few per season, because every time I'm in the kitchen, I have an apron on. Sir, this is not yours, sir. This is Mama's. Sir! Look how beautiful this apron is. And it's a bonus if it has a pocket, because I always put my phone in here so that way I don't lose it. And there are times I take off my apron and the phone stays in here. That's how I know I took it. This is a beautiful apron, and the material, you can wipe things off. I love this. Mr. Man is going to be like, are you kidding me? You got another apron? I am obsessed with aprons. I love them. I love this. This to me is right up my alley. I am actually so happy with this one. Because this is 100% going to get used. I'm actually going to start wearing that one tonight with tonight's dinner. Whoa. This is the beach. Is this the beach bag? Okay, so you got to pick. This is that gym bag. Look at this shade. I actually could use this as a purse. Is it embarrassing to wear this as a purse, you guys? Look at how big this thing is. Oh my gosh. Does it even have the tag on here? My boy is going to, oh, here it is right here. So this is a gym tote. It just says it's a gym tote. Here you go, sir. Look at this. And I love the fact that it's a zipper. I can actually bring this to work. This is by Splits 59 in Los Angeles. This is massive. You could put so much in here. I can actually bring this as my work bag. It has a nice zipper on here. And then it has a separation. That's why I said I could bring this. I could bring my laptop in here. What? You guys, this is so awesome. And I love the fact that it has a zipper. And this material, you can wipe off. So you can bring this anywhere. Like for me, this isn't just a gym bag. This would be like a bag I can bring out at an event. Look at that. And I love this shade. This shade, oh, I love this. Like this just matches with my yellow and burnt orange. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I love this. This is really, really cool. Really like that one too. Yep, that one's going to get a lot of use from me. And last but not least, you guys, this is a handbag. You got to choose from 2 different handbags, I believe. And this one is the one that I chose because I thought that the other one was not really my style, so I wanted to try this one. This one is called the Betsy Slouch Tote in the color Stone. This isn't something that I normally would get for myself. This is by the brand 8 Other Reasons. My, this is actually really pretty. I don't go for a black bag, so this I felt like was a lot better. And I love the fact that it's like a slouchy bag. And it comes up to like my hips, which is perfect. And it's really nice. Look how big that is. I really like this one because I don't typically buy black bags. I normally am somebody who will rock a color like this, an orange, a yellow, a green. So currently my handbag right now is like a burnt brown. It's like a leather color. So this will be perfect for the winter time. It's really nice and big in here. You get the side pockets here to put different things like lip glosses and stuff. And then you get this big zipper right here. So this will actually be really good and perfect for the winter time. And it has a magnet so you can clasp this closed. Look at that. I love it. And the bottom does have something inserted in there so it doesn't completely like hunker down. It stays it flat. So then that way you can plop it down on places. I really like this one. So look at that. I really do like it. And the material is really nice. So this is the handbag you got to choose. You got to choose from this one and a beige one. But I feel like the beige one was just going to annoy me with the way that the strings were. So I decided to go with this one. And I'm kind of happy I did because this is big enough for what I want, but not extremely huge. And the color is what is getting me. This is a really nice color. I don't do black, so this is the closest I would get to black. So I like this. I really do. Yeah, and I don't feel like this will slide off of my shoulders. So this is really good. All right, guys, that is it, you guys. I know that there are certain things that I did choose. I just don't remember exactly what they were, and some were standard. I know that this was one of the ones that I was able to choose. This time around, I got no makeup. I think I did choose some categories that were makeup, but at the time it may have already been sold out or already taken. Like there's only so much that you can pick of that category until they run out of the product. So I think that one of them was this. I didn't choose this. I know this was one of the options, but I didn't choose this option. And the apron I didn't choose, but that's a nice surprise because I will definitely put that one to use. I'm actually happy that I didn't get any makeup just because sometimes it's nice to get other things. And this is all like fall, like this to me, like this color palette right here, it does scream fall, and I can turn this into winter time, which is really nice. All right, guys, that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I was actually very surprised with all the products that I did get. They are going to get good use out of me. Honestly, I really use them, and I will update you guys on them. I should update you guys on the summer one to see everything in there because there are quite a few things that I have been using nonstop from that box. It's a really good box to gift. I do have a coupon code for the annual one if you want to give yourself or give someone the annual one, as well as just the seasonal one, which does have a 20% off from my understanding. So you can get 20% off the first one that you do get. I really like it. And a lot of you guys commented that you do have the subscription, and to you it is worth it because you're getting an array of things. It's just not makeup, so you're not overwhelmed, and you get the season to use those products. I think that is such a great idea. And overall, the fact that you get to customize your own choosings, and you're already prepped to see if you don't get those because you're just too late at picking them, you do have other options. You can see that what you would eventually get, which is what happened with me, and I'm okay with it. I actually am enjoying the ones that I got. Thank you so much to FABFITFUN for partnering with me and allowing me to unbox this. I will have all the information you need to know down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And can I just show you the inside of this box? Like seriously, look at this. Like just the attention to detail. The attention to detail. I don't want to get rid of the box. I think it's so pretty. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching another video on the screen. If you want to continue your journey with me, thank you for clicking on this video. God bless. I'm out.